Hey y'all, I've got a random act of kindness mystery box that was sent to me. What's in this? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I've had this for a minute and I really wanted to share it with you, and I didn't really know how to do it until I started doing like yarn haul unboxings on my channel, and I was like, oh my gosh, it fits. Back in the summer, I got an order on my Etsy store for tie-dye crochet hats, a couple of t-shirts, Hey Cooks, and she wrote me the sweetest review after she received it, and it just really touched my heart. And so I sent her a message back on Etsy, and I was like, thank you so much for, you know, your beautiful kind words. And then she sent me a message back, and then I sent her a message back, and we kind of just did a little bit of back and forth over a few days, and it was so much fun just meeting her, hearing her story, and then I found out she is a cancer survivor, and she ordered the, don't knock my camera over, Cooks, she had ordered the tie-dye crochet hats to cover her head. So I grabbed 3 or 4 tie-dyed bandanas, threw them in an envelope, sent them to her, just as a random act of kindness. Thank you for shopping at my store. Thank you for sharing your story with me. While you're covering your head, look cool with all this awesome color. And then this came in the mail. This random box full of things. And she wrote me a letter. We've never met. I would not know her if I ran into her on the street. Like, I've never met her. But this was just from our conversations back and forth, you know, via Etsy Messenger. She says, greetings, Tish. Now, I know you don't know me, but this little package isn't from me. I'm merely a messenger vessel from God. His message to you today is that he loves you, sees you, and cares for you. Simple as that. Oh, and he wanted you to have a little package. He allowed me the privilege of coming across your Etsy store, and he knew I would go crazy over your inspired tie-dyes. Your creativeness in both your jewelry and tie-dyes was obviously instilled in you from birth. God touched you, and I get to wear it. So this morning I got up with you on my mind. The Lord has given me so many things. I wanted to share some of them with you from my travels across the states, Arizona, Hawaii, Minnesota, etc. Perhaps some of these things you'll be able to use in your jewelry making, or will spark ideas in your soul for other designs. Giving is likened unto a river, with some folks upstream and some folks downstream. Today I'm a wee bit upstream. Please don't think, even for a breath of a moment, that you owe me anything. Not even thanks. I do it with joy in my heart of giving. Is there anything more thrilling than giving? And is there anything far more thrilling than giving on behalf of a king? Please dig through the little box knowing you are remembered, thought of, and loved by God. Your friendly messenger, Kate. How sweet is that? How sweet is that on so many levels? One, to send a random act of kindness box of goodies that make you think of someone. 2, to write a letter and share how deeply spiritual this giving is. People are afraid to share their spirituality. They're afraid of it for backlash, or, you know, to be dragged or trolled. That took a lot of courage, and I'm grateful for her courage. She sounds like my kind of lady. Like, I'm thinking of you and I'm just gonna give this to you. I love it. And it really goes in theme with what I do. Every year I crochet, and I've got a big old bucket of hats that's going to the Raleigh Rescue Mission. You know, I mean, that just go. I have giveaways on my Facebook page. I love to give as well. I never expected anybody to want to give to me. It floored me. It floored me. So before we see what I got, if you like these kind of videos, please like and subscribe. I'll make sure that I put this in a playlist so it's easier for you to find. My YouTube channel is just a smattering of my life. From unboxings to crochet to tie-dye to jewelry making to cooking, my spirituality that I share with you. Stop by and hang out. You might have fun. Let's see what I got. You ready, cooks? Yes, get over, girl. So I open it up and look at all this. All of this jewelry making beads. Her store on Etsy is all vintage. Vintage jewelry, vintage decorations, vintage clothing. I'll leave a link for her store in my the description below. And this is what she does. She travels around and buys things vintage to sell in her Etsy store. How neat. I can use a lot of this. Definitely. Draw bench drizzle square beads. Ooh. And they do have a hole in the top corner. They are acrylic, plastic. They've got a seam, so they are acrylic. Oh, so here's a sample of what she made with them to inspire me. Cooks, I can't open it. Here we go. Well, this is cute. So, just a basic, yeah, that's cute. That's a cute little bracelet. Can I get it on my big old water bucket hands without breaking the knot? I think I can. I think I can. Look at that. That's cute. Yeah, that does inspire me. That does. These are pretty, and these are pretty colors. What's next? This is handmade Hawaiian shell flowers. Oh, how pretty would these be? Do they match? They are tied together. Can you see that? With like a cellophane. How pretty. That'd be pretty on a necklace. This really inspires me as well, as far as a giveaway. Oh, some sterling wire, and it's the wrapped. She's not even ever opened this. This is sealed. What? What? Yeah, this twisted sterling wire. Oh, that's really pretty. That's really pretty. Ooh, some Swarovski crystals. I just ordered some from Michael's too. That's going to be another. That's a whole mess of them too, all different sizes. Beautiful Swarovski. Some seed beads. Really nice blue moon seed beads. Bugle beads, seed beads. Beautiful. Ooh, arrowheads. These also look to be jasper. I do believe they may be. Oh, how cool are those? Earrings and a pendant. All ready to go. A couple of these fell out. What else? What else? These are, they call these aren't drook beads. These are glass beads. How pretty. How pretty are these? And it's fall. Perfect timing. little teardrop glass. Yeah. So they're glass teardrop with, oops, sorry camera. Teardrop glass with that silver tone around the teardrop. How cute are those? Oh, this is Dalmatian Jasper. And they are center drilled teardrops. Ooh, I love this. And I have some of this downstairs. These are nice. She says they're vintage. So they're probably off an old necklace. Beautiful. Look at this big arrowhead. Look at this big arrowhead. Oh my gosh. Look at this. That is obsidian right there. Holy cow. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, wow. The shine on that. That is gorgeous. What's this one? Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. 2 big arrowheads and 3 little arrowheads. Gorgeous. And these are fluorite little Zuni bears. Ooh, how cute are these? I think it's funny they call them fetish. Look, oh yeah, those are adorable. Pendant ideas there. A big abalone pendant. Focal. This is some glass beads as well. These are pretty colors. Ooh, I like these colors. Little gold tinge in there, purple and green. Ooh, those are pretty. Those are real pretty. An antler. Piece of an antler. These appear to be, what are these? What are these? They almost make me think they're porcelain with that pattern on there. They look like jasper, but that pattern makes me think there's some kind of porcelain bead. What do you think they are? They're beautiful. They got nice heft to them, which almost makes me think they might be stone. But I've just never seen that pattern there. I'll have to research and see what that is. Here's some little abalone. Little discs. Are they drilled? Yes, they are. So they are center drilled too. Pretty. Takes me right back to the 70s. Those do. I'm a child of the 70s. Sterling silver. Do you guys know how much these are a piece? They're not cheap. They really are not cheap. This is a beautiful gift in itself. Just these 5 beads. Sterling silver beads. They're beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Big hole beads. Can you imagine just like going through your stash and saying, I'm just going to bless somebody today. Swarovski. And there's 2 little hearts on there, but some Swarovski crystals. Those are pretty. Real pretty. A piece of cord. They made tassels to wear on. So there's how she made a tassel from using a piece of this cord. So this would, you could cut it off and make several blue tassels for necklaces and so forth. Thanks for creating an example for me to see how that's done. That's beautiful. This is Swarovski crystal too. This has a seam in it. This might be plastic. Yes, there's a seam in it. So your Swarovskis don't have seams. But they're still very pretty. That'd make a really pretty pair of earrings. Beautiful pair of earrings. This is turquoise. Look at this piece of turquoise. Is it drilled? It is drilled. Oh, wow. That is so pretty. There is, she says this is Arizona turquoise. And then there's the turquoise trail that goes up through Santa Fe, through the state of New Mexico. It's gorgeous. And they have a map you can get that shows you where all the mines are and what turquoise comes out of those mines. This is more turquoise. More Arizona turquoise, I'm going to imagine, because it's very similar. That's beautiful. That is gorgeous. And then here's a mixture. There's just a mixture of awesome stones. Ooh, look. Look, just different polished cabs. That is an agate. There's another agate. They've polished it. And it's from the natural. They followed the natural lines of it. Same with this. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that. That's a little piece of... Oh, it's gorgeous. Agate, agate. All this agate. That's jasper. There's another jasper. This is stunning. Because that pattern that it has in there looks like tiger skin. Does it show up on camera? Because it's beautiful. Oh, how cool are these? Beautiful. That's a dendritic there in that fun little triangle. Oh my gosh! How cute are these? Thanks, Kate. Thanks for sharing. You made my day. So that's my random act of kindness mystery box of fun stuff that someone was inspired to send to me because of my art. This year has been difficult for many people. We've all had our struggles and our pain. And something like this, just out of the blue, makes today a little brighter. And like I always say, be peaceful, be kind. It's important. Yes, cooks. Share some things and some love with someone. Small random acts of kindness, that's all it takes. That's all it takes to brighten up one person's day. And I get to share this with you today. What's up, girl? Yes, I love you too. Thanks for hanging out.